Good day, this is a Q40 outdoor CCTV. So I will guide you how to install the CCTV at your wall, okay? So it have a 2 screw hole, okay? Or top it have a 2 screw hole. You no need to install 2, okay? You only need 1, okay? Okay, let me explain to you a bit. This is a mount holder. If you see these 2 holes, you no need to install these 2 holes. Okay, no. The CCTV installation is not like this. Let me explain to you a bit. Different wall, different condition. Some people, they prefer to install the CCTV like this. Okay. This is the first screw hole. You only need to install 1 screw. And some even they want their CCTV to moving out, which means outer space, okay? So they install the second hole. And some people, they prefer the CCTV to install more backward, okay? So they can install like this, or even this, okay? So have a 4 position for you to manually adjust by yourself. Usually we advise customer to install the CCTV at your first position, the screw hole, okay? So your choice, because your building, your home, your office, your shop lot, you know the better condition than me and the beautiful of the outlook. So you decide where you want to install. Okay, so now I want to install at the first screw, and then I install it. I place the screw and using the screwdriver to install the CCTV. Okay, I make sure to install it tight. Okay, and then we can do the installation at your wall, fix at your wall. Okay, if this one move, you can use the iron key to lock. Okay, this one is to lock, and then you can place at the position that you want. Okay, you can place at the position at you want, and then you can start lock tight the position, and it won't move anymore. Okay, this is how we install the CCTV. Okay, this is the outlook. Thank you for watching.